One flag, one land, one heart, one hand, one nation, evermore. A fine good morning to one and all. Today is a great day in the golden history of India. This day is celebrated with great joy across the country. On this special occasion, the people of India remembers the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India.
Independence Day is an important day in the life of every Indian. Year after year, it reminds us of our great freedom fighters who struggled and sacrificed their lives in order to free our motherland from the British rule.
It also reminds us that our forefathers have done their share of duty and now it lies in our hands. How can we shape and form the future of country? They have played their part. The country now looks up to us as to how we perform our part. As we recall, our freedom fighters, a wind of patriotism and national integration blows across the country and within every one of us too.
Honorable Chief Guest, respected principals, respected teachers, and my dear students, a wind of change has brought a new vigor for our country. Making of New India is in offing. We stand here to witness resurgent India with pride in our hearts and tears of joy in our eyes. On this auspicious day, how can we forget our glorious past, immense sacrifices of innumerable martyrs whose priceless sacrifices laid the foundation of independence. India's Independence Day is not only a day of celebration, it is a day of remembrance and veneration.
It is our proud privilege to have an eminent, young, energetic, dynamic personality, Reverend Father Ravi Tanaya, who is a man of magnanimous heart and navigator of this flagship of knowledge. Now, I kindly invite Reverend Father Ravi Tanaya to come on to the dais and take his honorable seat. Now I request Mr. Babu Rao to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, sir.
A man of focused mind and tender heart coupled with simplicity and generosity, Reverend Father Balajoji the proprietor of PIME, to come and take his honorable seat on dais. Now I invite Mrs. Anita to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
A woman with golden heart, prudent, cogent, bounteous, Sister Elizabeth, former provincial of Papua, New Guinea, to come and take her honorable seat. Now I invite Mrs. Uma to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
A man of honesty, noble appearance, simplicity, and soft-spoken person, who Mr. Raj Prasad, the principal of Telugu Medium High School. Now I kindly invite you to take your honorable seat on dais. Now I invite Mrs. Madhuri to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
A man of willpower, with bold spirit and straightforward nature, Mr. Balaswamy, the principal of English Medium High School, to come and take his honorable seat on the dais. Now I invite Mrs. Vankumari to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
A woman of smart looks, ever charming smile, humorous, witty nature, and lovable heart, Mrs. Rosa Rani, the principal of Telugu Medium Elementary School, to come and take her honorable seat on the dais. Now I invite Mrs. Usha to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
We also like to invite Reverend Sister Reena, the formator of Nirmala Convent. Now I invite Mrs. Shah to come onto the dais and occupy her honorable seat. Now I invite Mrs. Shantakumari to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
A woman of determination, honesty, twinkling, uplifting, and a person behind every moment. Reverend Sister Dharma to come and take her honorable seat on the dais. Now I invite Mrs. Subbalakshmi to present the rose as a sign of welcome. Thank you, ma'am.
This is a special moment for all Indians to be part of this beautiful nation. Now, let us remember our freedom fighters and national leaders. Let us salute and honor our Mother India by hoisting the national flag. Now, I invite Reverend Father Ravi Nanaya to hoist the national flag. I do request all the dignitaries on the dais to move forward down to the stage.
Attention! Candidates! Attention! Salute!
I request all the guests to be seated in front of the stage. Thank you all.
Dance speech. Now I invite Sanjay of 9th to deliver his speech on importance of Independence Day.
A very good morning to our correspondent father, headmistress, teacher, and all my dear friends. I am very happy on this auspicious day of Independence Day. I am going to tell my speech and my words today. This is our 75th Independence Day. The story of our Independence Day is very big, which cannot be described in one day. 75 years ago, British ruled India. They came to India in the pretext of trade and gradually took under their control and made us their slaves. Due to brave warriors of our country, India has become independent today. Some warriors like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, and etc. And the most important contribution of our independence is Mahatma Gandhi, who forced them to live with the weapons like truth and non-violence. Then on 15th August 1947, India has become independent. 75 years after, India is moving towards in every field. Now I am happy that we are the future ones of this country. Now I am going to end my speech with these words: Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Sanjay, for your thought-provoking speech.
India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend. India is one of the most religiously and ethnically diverse nations in the world. Now, here comes the lovely girls to exercise our patriotic spirit and to salute our Mother India by performing a wonderful patriotic dance to revive our patriotic spirit.
Pray for India, pray for India. Pray for India, pray for India, pray for India. Mera India, apna India. Pray for India, pray for India, pray for India. सारी दुनिया से है निराला इंडिया, सबकी निगाहों का उजाला इंडिया। इसको लगे ना किसी गैर की नजर, चमके जहां में प्यारा प्यारा इंडिया। करो अपना तो बस एक ही खुदा, मिलके रहेंगे हम होंगे ना जुदा। बहकाए हमको न कोई शैतान, आओ मिल के खुदा से ये दुआ प्रे फॉर इंडिया, अपना इंडिया। प्रे फॉर इंडिया, प्रे फॉर इंडिया, प्रे फॉर इंडिया, प्रे फॉर इंडिया, ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी है जैसे है, खुद पे हम नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज़ हम, चालसाज़ हम, इश्क़बाज़ दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छुए दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हिंदुस्तानी हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Thank you, girls, for your lovely and divine performance. Thank you for reviving our patriotic spirit.
Now I request Mr. Angel to deliver his speech on importance of Independence Day.
Respected and Reverend Father Ravitanaya, the correspondent of St. Xavier's Institutions and Regional Superior of PME India, respected Reverend Father Balajoji, the Procurator of PME India, respected Headmasters, Mr. Raj Prasad, Headmaster of Telugu Medium High School, Mr. Balaswamy, the Headmaster of English Medium High School, Sister Dharma, the Principal of St. Xavier's Co-Education School, and Mrs. Roger Anigaru, Reverend Sisters, colleagues, students and parents, I wish you all happy Independence Day. Then I would like to remind you the first freedom fighter. Generally we think of Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Subhash Chandra Bose. But it is right time to remember the name of the first freedom fighter. He was Mangal Pandey. He was Sepoy in East India Company. He was Indian Sepoy. So he faced discrimination in his army, in his regiment. He faced discrimination. Against his discrimination, so he rose against his military officers. Then, so he shot down his military officer with his gun. That was the beginning of Indian freedom fight. It took place in the year 1857. From 1857, the freedom fight continued up to 1947, about 90 years. In these 90 years, so there are four important stages. First stage, the Sepoy Mutiny or first freedom fight, it took place in 1857. That was started by Mangal Pandey. Then in 1885, Indian National Congress Party was founded to fight against British to achieve Independence Day. It was founded by a British man. He was Alan Octavius Hume. Then first president of Indian National Congress was Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Then it continued up to still we have National Congress Party in India. It was founded in 1885. Then another important event took place in 1920. That was entry of Mahatma Gandhi in freedom fight. So Mahatma Gandhi, before Mahatma Gandhi, freedom fight was not united, not integrated. After his entry, freedom fight was integrated and became a national movement. Then in 1947, we achieved Independence Day. So these are the four main important events that took place in our freedom struggle. So it is right time, once again, it is our right time to remember the first freedom fighter, that is Mangal Pandey. Then he was executed. At the same time he was executed, he sacrificed his life for freedom fight, for the country. Then గురుజాడ అప్పారావు గారు ఒకసారి చెప్పారు, he said, దేశం అంటే మట్టి కాదు, దేశం అంటే మనుషులు. A nation means population. So we have, in India we have abundant population. According to 2011 enumeration, our population was 121 crores. Then at 2021 enumeration, our population rose up to 139 crores. Then an eminent economist, Malthus, his theory of population, he classified the population into two categories. One is productive population, another one is unproductive population. India is second largest country in population. So a country needs a productive population, not unproductive population. What is productive population? They create property, they organize, they make, they produce, they invest, they work. This productive population is also known as workforce of the country. Workforce of the country. Unproductive population, they cannot work, they do not work. Malthus classified that unproductive population as they cannot work, they do not work. They cannot work. So people, those who are under 14 years old, children, they cannot work. Then people, those who are above 60 years, they cannot work. But people they between 15 to 59, up to 60 years, people, those who are not in work, they do not work. They do not work. So if the population, so classified into productive population and unproductive. Unproductive population do not work, but they eat 3 times, sometimes 4 times. They drink before, they drink after, but they do not do any work for themselves, for their family, for the society, for their country. So this population is the main problem of the country. Unproductive population is the main problem of the country. So productive population is also known as workforce. Then independent population. We are celebrating Independence Day here. So this productive population is also known as independent population. The country needed this type of population, independent population. Unproductive population is the opposite of independent, is dependent population. They depend upon others for their livelihood, for their basic needs. Then in a country, if this dependent population or unproductive population is more than 50%, so development does not take place for the country. Then country's development depends upon the productive population. So it is, as the teachers, we have, it is on our hand. So the students are the future citizens of India. Future citizens. So as a teachers, it is in our hand to produce productive population. మన దగ్గరున్న విద్యార్థుల్ని ఒక ప్రొడక్టివ్ పాపులేషన్గా తయారు చేసి సమాజంలోనికి వదలాలి. అంతేగాని అన్ప్రొడక్టివ్ పాపులేషన్గా తయారు చేసి మనం సమాజంలోనికి వదిలితే దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ డేంజరస్. వాడు అవసరాల కోసం, ఫర్ దిస్ బేసిక్ నీడ్స్, then he starts robbery and smuggling and other anti-social activities. So it is our responsibility to make our children, our students, productive population and make our country strong and great by productive population. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for informative speech.
Patriotism consists not in waving the flag but being loyal to the country. Freedom is one of the deepest and noblest aspirations of the human spirit. You cannot separate peace and freedom because no one can be at peace unless he has his freedom. Here comes boys from class 10 with an amazing performance who thrill your mood by a wonderful patriotic dance.
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे तू।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे, आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे।
శబ్దం పగిలి ముక్కలవుతున్న భీకర దృశ్యం, అలలెగసిన గడియాల గడి ఆగ్రహ తేజమై రూపుదాల్చిన సత్యం, ఆగ్రహాల పరాయణ దీక్షా పర్వం ఆహో ఆరంభం। అదిగో పెను శబ్దం పగిలి ముక్కలవుతున్న భీకర దృశ్యం, అలలెగసిన గడియాల గడి ఆగ్రహ తేజమై రూపుదాల్చిన సత్యం, ఆగ్రహాల పరాయణ దీక్షా పర్వం ఆహో ఆరంభం। దీక్షా పర్వం ఆహో ఆరంభం। ధీరా 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 ఓరణ ధీరా, రా 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 తేరా తీసే మెరుగైనా రా। ధీరా 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 ఓరణ ధీరా, రా 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 తేరా తీసే మెరుగైనా రా। సరిహద్దులు నువ్వు లేకుంటే కను బాబా కంటి నిండుగా నిద్రపోతురా నిద్రపోతురా। నిలువెత్తును నిప్పు కంచెవై నువ్వుంటేనే జాతి బాబుగా ఎగురుతుందిరా, పైకెగురుతుందిరా। దిల్లే ఇండియా, దిల్లే ఇండియా, దిల్లే ఇండియా, తన భరోసా నువ్వే దేశం కొనక। నీ సేవక ఓ సైనిక, పనిలో పరుగే తీరిక ఓ సైనిక, కాలం కొంచెం తేలిక ఓ సైనిక। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी गाने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले आजा आजा जिंदे शामी गाने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले
Thank you, boys, for your mind-blowing performance. Now, it's time to welcome our honorable chief guest to say a few words on the special occasion of Independence Day. Round of applause for him, please.
Respected sisters and Father Joji, respected headmasters and my teachers and children, please all of you come. All of you come. Let us give them a big applause for their great performance today. You have heard already wonderful speeches. 3 points I would like to focus on this Independence Day. Independence Day. We wanted to be independent. The country wanted to be independent, but not individual. The country wanted to be independent, but not to go away from the communion. It wanted to be in communion with the whole world. That's the reason a number of fighters, they have fought, they have given their lives in order to get a freedom for our country. We have this independence just to enjoy our freedom, to be independent of our own country, to rule and organize our own country, but along with the communion of the whole world. That is the first thing that we need to realize. The second point is, today in a special way, we need to remember all of freedom fighters. Whether they have done a peaceful freedom fight, or some of them shed their blood, especially those who have shed their blood, we really need to remember them in a special way. You know them, all of them. We need to remember all of them. We should always salute them for their great sacrifices, because the sacrifices are numerous. On behind every person, there are number of sacrifices. Behind every teacher, there is a sacrifice. Behind every student, there is a sacrifice. And therefore, and today as we remember and celebrate our Independence Day, we also need to remember, and in a special way, the sacrifice of all those who have worked hard to get freedom for us. And today we are enjoying this Independence Day because of their sacrifices. And the third point is freedom. Freedom is not selfish. Freedom is not for individual person alone. Freedom is not kind of our own gratification. Freedom is for service. Freedom is to live a happy life. Freedom is a responsible life. Freedom is to give best to our society and to our country. Freedom does not mean only for ourselves. Freedom is for all of us. And therefore, as we celebrate today, Independence Day, we need to respect our freedom, freedom of others, freedom of the society, and freedom of the whole world. Unfortunately, this year, because of this pandemic, we were not able to see the children around. Otherwise, would have been all this ground was full of children enjoying with the dances and singing and so on. And today, we remember all of them. They are at home, and their parents and everybody. Once again, your teachers and the children, the freedom that is given to us, let us enjoy with respect, with responsibility, and serve our country. God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for making us realize the importance of Independence Day.
Before arrival of Britishers, Indians were divided on the basis of religion, language, and kings also maintained disunity and busy in fighting among themselves. By exploiting this disunity, Britishers established by the regime. By the initiative of national leaders, all the Indians came together, forgetting all the differences, and united themselves and fought against the Britishers. They could achieve independence to our country. Now we are going to witness a wonderful skit basing on unity in diversity.
We may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race. In diversity, there is beauty, there is strength, there is power. Now I invite student of 9th, 10th to perform a skit.
जगदीश हरे स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे भक्त जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे ओम जय जगदीश हरे ध्यावे फल पावे दुख बिन से मन का स्वामी दुख बिन से मन का सुख संपत्ति घर आवे सुख संपत्ति घर आवे कष्ट मिटे तन का ओम जय जगदीश हरे पिता तुम मेरे शरण गहूँ किसकी स्वामी शरण गहूँ किसकी अऊदु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। कदम बढ़ाए जब खुशी के गीत गाए जब, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जब। कदम बढ़ाए जब खुशी के गीत गाए जब, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पे लुटाए जब। शेरे हिंद आगे बढ़, मरने से फिर भी तू न डर।
వినరా వినరా దేశం మనదేరా, అనరా అనరా రేపిక మనదేరా. వినరా వినరా దేశం మనదేరా, అనరా అనరా రేపిక మనదేరా. నీ ఇల్లు ఆంధ్రదేశమని నీవే తెలిపిన, నీ నామం ఇండియన్ అంటూ నిత్యం చాటర. వినరా వినరా దేశం మనదేరా, అనరా అనరా రేపిక మనదేరా.
Thank you students for your message-oriented skit. Now, I invite Mrs. Venkat Lakshmi to propose the vote of thanks.
Gratitude unlocks the fullness of life. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Reverend Father Ravi Thonaya, the correspondent of our school, for your generous availability for this special occasion and adding color for today's Independence Day celebrations. Thank you, Father. I also express my special thanks to Reverend Father Balachosi, Reverend Sister Elizabeth, Reverend Sister Rina, for being present here. Your presence makes joy to us. Thank you, Father. Thank you, sisters. I also would like to express my deepest sentiment of their gratitude to Mr. Raj Prasad, Mr. Balaswamy, Mrs. Rocha Rani, and Reverend Sister Dharma for your wonderful presence on this great occasion. Thank you so much. I would like to express special note of thanks to all the staff members, St. James Educational Institutions, for your kind support and cooperation. A big thanks to all of you. Special acknowledgement to all our students for exhibiting the talents and participate enthusiastically in today's cultural event. Especially all those who took part in skit and dances, thank you very much for making occasion very vibrant. Once again, thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
I request all the staff of St. Xavier's institutions to come on to this to take a group photograph. And I request all the fathers, correspond.
సరోజనమ్మ కొంచెం వెనకరా బాయ్స్ కొంచెం కమ్ క్లోజ్
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna wait.
మీరు కూడా మీరు కూడా
ఫ్యాన్ రెండు